Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have square root of x minus square root of 5 is equals to square root of 45, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now first we need to focus on right hand side, and here we write the left hand side as it is. This is square root of x minus square root of 5 is equals to, we write this 45 as 9 multiplied by 5. We know about that 9 times of 5 becomes 45. And now here in the next step we need to use this nice radical law. You know about that. If we have inside the square root, if we have a multiplied by b, it is equals to square root of a multiplied by square root of b. According to this rule of radicals, we write the right hand side as in this form. So we have, this is square root of x minus square root of 5 is equals to, we apply the square root sign on both of these two values, and it will be written as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. And further in the next step we have here you see that this is square root of x minus square root of 5 is equals to, we know that square root of 9 becomes 3 times of square root of 5. And now we separate the variable term. For this we move minus square root of 5 to the right hand side, and when we move it into the right hand side it will be written as 3 times of square root of 5. This is negative term. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes positive. And now you see here both of these two terms involve square root of 5. So that we will take common square root of 5 from here, and when we take common square root of 5 we get the remaining values are 3 plus 1, and here you have this is square root of x. And now in the next step we have this is square root of 5 and 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Here we have square root of x. So here our target is to find the values of x. So for this we need to remove this square root sign, and in order to remove this square root sign we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides it will be written as this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here x is equals to, here we apply the square law. You know that if we have a multiplied by b and its whole square, it is equals to a square multiplied by b square. Okay, so when we apply the square separately on both of these two values it will be written as square root of 5 and its whole square is multiplied by 4 square. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 5 multiplied by this 4 square becomes here 16, and in the left hand side we have x only. So here we get the value of x is equals to 16 times of 5 is equals to 80. So here we easily get the value of x is equals to 80. So it means that in this question we get only one root of the given equation, and that is x is equals to 80. So here further in the next step we need to verify that is this value of 80 is satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of x minus square root of 5 is equals to square root of 45. And here in the left hand side we substitute the value of x. It is 80, and this will be written as square root of 80 minus square root of 5 is equals to square root of 45. And now here we rewrite this equation as We write this 80 as 16 times of 5. We know that 16 times 5 becomes 80 minus this is square root of 5 is equals to this is square root of 45, and we write this square root of 45 as 9 times of 5. We know about that 9 times of 5 becomes here 45. Okay, so here we again use the nice radical law and we apply these radical sign on both of these two values, and similarly on here. So when we apply here, it will be written as square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 5 minus square root of 5 is equals to, when we apply square root on both of these values, it will be written as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. Okay, so here you see that we have square root of 16 becomes 4 times of square root of 5 minus this is square root of 5 is equals to square root of 9 becomes 3 times of square root of 5. And here we take common square root of 5 from here, and when you take common square root of 5, we get the remaining values are 4 minus 1 is equals to 3 times of square root of 5. So 4 minus 1 becomes 3 times of square root of 5 is equals to 3 times of square root of 5. This shows that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, it means that the value of x is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this question is 80 only. So this is our final answer to this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.